Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Network the Baron GH, aka Afro Beast _King 123. As you can see, today I am in the kitchen, which today I am not gonna be cooking. Today is something different. It is my first time to make a cake, and I want you to come along with me. Let's see how it is gonna go. Okay, now let me take you through my ingredients that I am going to be using for this cake. And as you can see also, I have my bowl in my hand. So first, I have 210 gram of flour here, also 170 sugar here, also 6 gram baking powder also here, also 2 grams of bicarbonate here also. And when you look at here, I have 270 milli soya milk, which is here, 10 milli lemon juice, also 16 milli vanilla also here, 82 milli oil, which is mixed already here. Okay guys, as you can see, now I am going to be pouring this one to the flour and also be mixing it at the same time. So let's go. So whilst doing it, you have to make sure that it mixes very well. If not, that you're gonna see some stuff inside which is not good. Okay guys, after mixing it, this is how it has to look like. And now I am going to be pouring it here. Yeah, so, and this is how I am going to do it. This is how I do it. And make sure that you take everything out. Yes. It's your boy Chef
Get out of
Network.
here.
Chef Network.
Get out of
Okay, after putting it here, I already on the oven almost 20 minutes. You understand? So you have to let it heat before you put your cake inside. Yeah. So now I'm gonna put it inside, and I'm gonna leave it like almost 30 minutes. And yeah, just stay tuned, and then I'll show you how it works. After removing it from the oven, I let it to cool down almost 40 minutes, and after that I cut it into 2 pieces, and now I am going to do the next step. So just follow up, let's do it together. Guys, this one that you are seeing is cheese buttercream, and this one is buttercream. So normally this is what I did. I use this one to put down there so that it will stick with that. Understand? So now I have to be putting the cheese buttercream on top here. Okay guys, as you can see, I put the cheese buttercream here, and then now I am gonna put the next thing on top. Yeah. Okay guys, after putting the second layer, now I am putting the buttercream, the cheese cream to the sizes, and after that I have to put it in the fridge to cool down a little bit, at least 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Yeah, so that's how it is. This is how I put the cream. Okay guys, now I am gonna be using buttercream mixed with the color to dress my cake. I am at the final stage, so let's go. Guys, now it's time to decorate my cake. Okay, first time doing cake. First time doing my cake. That is the final stage of my cake, and I'm gonna add these pills to it. I'm gonna design it with this. So look at how I do it, just to make it look nice with the design. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. It looks so amazing. It's actually my first time. I've never done cake before. Yeah, so I feel proud. I feel so proud. You can call me Chef Neil Twig. Yeah, so that's how it is. So, as you can see, it is my first time of making cake. Yes, but it's actually not my job doing that. So I get my recipe from Shea Cornet on Instagram. Yeah, so I actually got everything from her, and she actually helped me out explaining some stuff for me. But at the end of the day, I was in the kitchen practicing. So if you do like this video, please help me out, subscribe to my YouTube channel, yes, and follow me on all my social media platforms: Instagram Afrobeat_King123, TikTok Network the Baron GH, and Facebook Abdulbasit Abdurrahman. Don't forget to follow me, and I hope you like it. See you in the next video. How it actually look like.